Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Students, today you are going to learn about French articles. As in English language, you have been taught out about two types of articles. One is the and second one or an. The is known as definite article and or an is known as indefinite article. The same thing you are going to know in French. For definite article, there are four categories. One is le, la, L apostrophe and les. And for indefinite article, there are three categories: un, un and they. This stands for the and indefinite stands for a or and. Now, la over here as being shown, la is used before masculine singular noun. La is used before feminine singular noun, and L apostrophe is used before vowel singular noun. Here you need to understand that the noun word is starting from a vowel. In that case, we put L apostrophe, and lay is used for masculine and feminine both in plural case. Now there are some examples for you. Le livre, the book. Now you can see le is used before a noun word. Le is used before a noun word, and here you have been shown it is used before a masculine singular noun. It means the book le livre is in masculine form. Le livre, the book. La gomme, the eraser. Now la, it is used for feminine singular. It means the gomme, it is in the feminine form. Now l'étudiant, the student, as L apostrophe used before a vowel singular, because this noun word is starting from a vowel. That is why we drop out E from the le article and we put L apostrophe. L'étudiant, the student. And last one, les pomme. Les pomme, apples. Now you can see pomme is in the plural form. Here I have shown les is used for the plural noun even if it is masculine in or in feminine form. Now second part is indefinite article un, un and they. Un is also used before masculine singular. Un is used before feminine singular, and they is used before masculine and feminine plural. Now there are examples: a gâteau, a cake. Now you can see before this noun word you are getting a, because this noun word is in masculine form. That is why a is used before a masculine noun. Second one, UNEPECHE, unpache, a peach. There is a fruit name, unpache. Un is being used before a pache because pache is in the feminine form. Now the last example for you, des raisins, grapes. You can see the grapes are in the plural form. That is why before raisin I have used they, because they is always used before a plural noun. Thank you and have a nice day.